this is our room. So we are at the 31st floor of Sofitel Darling Harbour in Sydney. This is the luggage compartment and wardrobe. Let's see what's in here. That is the toilet. This is the shower. Vanity. Toiletries. Let's see what's in here. Toiletries. Jonat's birthday cake from Modi's Cakes and Treats. What I got is ube makapuno. Fridge. We have drinks, chocolates, beer, and then we have a small bottle of champagne. Hair dryer, robe, flat iron, and then here's a wall-sized mirror. And then I think this is a deluxe queen bed. TV, small table, a couch, and then let me show you the view. This is Sydney. So that's Darling Harbour, you guys. I don't know if that is the International Convention Center. I'm not sure. Probably. My siblings has a room similar to this beside us. Do they have the same room layout as us?
Yes.
Here is a small coffee station. So we have Nespresso capsules. And let's see what's in here. Oh, we have rum and vodka and whiskey and gin. This is nice. And peanuts too. So let's see how much is this. $16 for the hard drinks. You have a bottle opener.
But we can't drink.
And then you have Shiraz. Oh, I like Sandpiper, but it's like mid-range. Tea and coffee, chips, goblets, and glasses. And then you have a kettle and a Nespresso machine. Oh, no, breath sleepers. And shoe brush. And then safe. Hi. Room raid. This is the room of my siblings. That's a view of the Darling Harbour. I'm gonna show you around. There's a small study office table. There's a couch. That is Sydney, everyone. And right there is the Darling Harbour. That's how high up we are. TV, and I believe that's extendable. Like there's like an extendable arm at the back. You could pull it out and turn it around.